Igbo digraph plus vowel combinations. These combos are the real engine of Igbo pronunciation, and once you see them grouped like this, I believe everything will start to click. Here are some examples of how digraph plus vowel combinations lead to word formation.
Cheta, cho, chopo, chere, choba, chọpụta, chịkọta, chefuo, cha, chukwu.
These are the core patterns you will need to know to master the language. Save for later.